The Hoover Commercial Portapower Canister Vacuum offers a comprehensive cleaning solution for both residential and commercial spaces. With its lightweight design, powerful suction, and versatile functionality, it excels in reaching tight spaces and ensuring thorough cleaning above the floor. Equipped with a built-in blower and an array of accessories, it tackles various cleaning tasks with ease. Its convenient on-off switch and extra-wide cleaning path enhance user experience and productivity. Backed by a 2-year warranty, this vacuum is a reliable investment for anyone seeking efficient and effective cleaning solutions. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Above floor cleaning. This vacuum excels in reaching areas that traditional upright vacuums struggle with. Its stretch hose extends cleaning reach into tight spaces, ensuring thorough cleaning above floor and in between spaces. This feature is particularly useful for detailed cleaning in homes, offices, and commercial spaces. Number 2. Lightweight design. Weighing a mere 8 pounds, this vacuum is designed for maximum portability and maneuverability. Whether carried by hand or slung over the shoulder using the included shoulder strap, its lightweight construction minimizes user strain and enables easy movement from one cleaning task to another, ultimately reducing downtime. Number 3. Built-in blower functionality. The built-in blower feature sets this vacuum apart from its competitors. This function comes in handy for tasks requiring forced air and effortlessly disseminating dust and debris from hard-to-reach areas. Whether it's cleaning out vents or blowing debris from outdoor spaces, this vacuum offers versatility beyond mere suction. Number 4. Convenient on-off switch. Equipped with an on-off switch conveniently located at the user's fingertip, operating this vacuum is intuitive and efficient. Say goodbye to wasting time searching for elusive buttons or switches. This thoughtful design element enhances user experience by reducing frustration and streamlining cleaning tasks. Number 5. Extra-wide cleaning path. Covering more area with fewer passes, this vacuum ensures quick and efficient cleaning. Its extra-wide cleaning path not only saves time, but also enhances productivity, making it ideal for both residential and commercial cleaning applications. Number 6. Comprehensive accessory pack. Included with this vacuum is an accessory pack that adds value and functionality to the cleaning experience. With components such as a crevice tool, dusting brush, rug floor nozzle, and furniture nozzle, users have the tools they need to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks effectively. Additionally, the shoulder strap and cord storage strap contribute to easy organization and portability. Number 7. Durability and warranty. Backed by a 2-year warranty, this vacuum offers peace of mind to users, ensuring reliable performance and durability. Its robust construction, coupled with the assurance of a warranty, makes it a reliable investment for both residential and commercial cleaning needs. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 18 inches length by 11 inches, width by 7 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Hoover Commercial Portapower Canister Vacuum stands out as a versatile and efficient cleaning tool suitable for a wide range of environments. Its lightweight design, powerful suction, and comprehensive accessory pack make it an invaluable asset for both residential and commercial cleaning needs. With thoughtful features such as the built-in blower and convenient on-off switch coupled with durable construction and warranty, it offers peace of mind and reliability to users. Whether tackling tight spaces, above-floor cleaning, or blowing away debris, this vacuum delivers exceptional performance, making it a worthwhile investment for any cleaning task. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links, and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.